Hey, welcome to birthday parties. Oh, this turtle dove landed on the white-winged dove. I think he's on purpose. So today we'll look at a few doves here and see who gets to... Oh, he's leaving. And see who gets to stay inside the ring the longest. So this is, I guess, number 2 dove is in the box right now. Number 3 is arrived. His hair is kind of, looks like he got a perm. Number 2, okay, number 2 looks aggressive. Oh, he's using his wings to try to hit him. Oh, here he goes again. The morning dove, dove number 1 in the background. He's just observing, see what's going on. And he's coming back. Oh, number 2 doesn't want him. Okay, he's chased off number 3. The 4th dove came, sitting on the branch. Okay, the morning dove, number 1, he went to the other feeder. Okay, there's another dove that came. Dove number 2 is drinking some water there in the background. Alright, this newcomer, man. The turtle dove just don't like to share. Okay, he stopped biting, pecking. Oh, he's at it again. So still number 2 dove is in the ring, while more doves coming, reinforcements. In a second here, you'll see 2 doves trying to do some teamwork and stay at each corner and see if they can attack him on the left and right. Okay, they're coordinating the attack. It's coming. Alright, one guy comes in. Alright, second guy over there. In the other corner, let's see if they're successful. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. And remember to like and subscribe. And share. Thank you. Have a great day.